हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य द्वितीयवर्गस्य षष्ठीकक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So again for halanta napumsakalinga shabdas, the suffixes we should remember. For napumsakalingam, the suffixes for ekavachanam is nothing. There is no suffix in the ekavachanam. But still there is some transformation happens. We will study about that. And the Divivachanam and Bhagavachanam, for Divivachanam we will add Dirgha Ikara at the end of the Pratipadikam. Then it becomes a Divivachana form of that Halanta Shabda. And similarly for Bhagavachanam we will add Hrasva Ikara at the end. Again it has some slight change in the form. We will see that when we come across it. So in short, Ekavachanam doesn't have any suffixes. In Divivachanam we will have Dirgha Ikara, and in Bhagavachanam we will have Rasva Ikara. Okay, so the first word we are going to take here is Jagat. Jagat means Loka, the world or the earth or the world. That's Jagat. It's an Napumsakalinga Pratipadikam, Takaranta Pratipadikam. The Ekavachanam, the suffix is not there, so it just the Pratipadikam stays as it is Jagat. And in Divivachanam, Dirgha Ikara comes, so it will be Jagat plus Ikara, Jagati. And in Bhagavachanam, there are few things are done here. One is we will add Rasva Ikara at the end, it becomes Jagati in Rasva Ikara. And we will also add Makara before the last letter of the Pratipadikam. Remember that? So in the Jagat, the last letter is the Takara and we add Makara before it. And of course the Sandhi, because of Sandhi rule, the Makara becomes Nakara and it becomes Jagan plus Takara plus Ikara, Jaganti. Okay, but if you are not able to recollect this, no problem. If for any Takarantas, just go and add Inti at the end of the word. So Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. Okay, and next one. For any Napumsakalingam ending with the Takara or in general for any of them, this is a general rule. So now we'll start seeing some special Apavadas here. One is the Nakaranta Pratipadikam. Again, the Nakaranta is quite common in Pumlinga and the Napumsakalinga. It's quite frequently we get it in the language. So one of them is Naman is a Pratipadikam, Nakarantam Pratipadikam, Napumsakalingam Bhavati. Again, in Ekavachanam, as usual, same as Pumlinga, the Nakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. So Nama is the Ekavachana form. Because Nakarasya Lopaha Bhavati, again there is no suffix here, so just Nama stays here. That's Ekavachana form. In Divivachanam, we just add Ikara at the end, so it becomes Naman plus Ikara. Namani is a Divivachana form, that is two names. And in the Bhagavachanam, we will again add Ikara. We will add Ikara and we will also add Dirghatvam for the previous one, that is before Nakara, whatever is there, we will add the Dirghatvam. So it becomes Namani. So if you see even in the Ajanta Shabdas, if you take Phalam or Vanam, for Bhagavachana Rupam, we get the Ikara at the end, and before the Ikara and before that Venjanam, whatever the Swara is there, that Swara generally gets the Dirgha. That's a general Napumsakalinga rule. For example, Phalam, it becomes Phalani. So Phalani, so here after Lakara we have Dirgha Akara and it ends with Ikara. That's a general form of any Napumsakalinga Bhagavachanam. The same it goes here. So it becomes Namani. So Nama, Namani, Namani. And another example, for any Nakaranta, this is how it's going to be. And next one, we'll see the examples in the bottom later. And Dhanush is another Pratipadikam, Shakarantam Pratipadikam. dhanush, it means the arrow, and it's napumsakalingam padam. So again the ekavachanam, there is no suffix, so dhanush stays as it is. And remember, because of visarga sandhi, the shakara or sakara, they gets transformed into visarga. So dhanush, the shakarasya visarga adeshah bhavati. So dhanuhu iti rupam ekavachane. And divivachanam, the same rule, ikara. So dhanush plus ikara, dhanushi. And in bahuvachanam, and again the same, dhanu plus shakarottara ikaraha bhavati. So dhanushi, and as usual we'll add makara before it, dhanumshi. And again the previous swara gets longer, so it becomes dhanumshi. Okay, but we don't need to do all these derivations in mind. Just this is just if you want to know it in detail, but otherwise you can just remember the form, that's enough. So dhanuhu, dhanushi, dhanumshi, they are all the forms. So any shakaranta shabda in napumsakalingam will have the same forms. And next one is saras, sakarantam pratipadikam, napumsakalingam padam. In again saras, in ekavachan no pratyaya, no suffix, so it becomes saras, and sakarasya visargadeshah, so saraha. So remember, only for shakara and sakara we get the visargadesha, so it becomes dhanuhu and saraha. And for nakara we get the lopa, only nama stays there. And for remaining everything else, most of them will have the same pratipadikam as the ekavachana form. Okay, so now for saras, the divivachana form, again the same ikara comes, so saras plus ikara, sarasi is the form. And for bahuvachanam, it's same as dhanumshi, so we will add ikara then sarasi, and we'll add makara before it, saramsi. And again we'll make the longer vowel for the previous swara, that is saramsi. So saramsi, that's the way. So like a phalani, saramsi, dhanumshi, and jaganti. And jaganti is no dirghatom is there. And again namani. Okay, and these are the only 4 categories we have to remember for napumsakalinga shabdas. And that's it, we are done with this chapter now. It's that simple. And for divivachanam, it's very simple. Just add ikara to, that is dirgha ikara to the pratipadikam at the end. So then we are done with this divivachana forms. For bahuvachanam, ikara, and of course it varies in all these 4 categories. Please remember that. And for ekavachanam, for shakara sakarayoho visargadeshah nakarasya lopaha anyasham pratipadikavat bhavati rupani. These are the rules, and only these are the 4 categories you need to remember. So maybe we'll spend another few minutes to discuss any questions, and then if you are fine with this, then we'll take up a few words from the bottom, and we will try to give 3 forms, and as well as try to frame some sentences with these 3 forms as well.
Chakshuhu, chakshushi, chakshushi. Am I correct? Chakshumshi. Okay. Chakshuhu asti, chakshushi sthaha, chakshumshi santi.
Samyak uttamam.
And one more, can you just repeat how do we derive the dvivachanam forms for the napunsakalingas?
Divivachana forms, we will just add ikara at the end for pratipadikam. Any pratipadikam, just add ikara at the end, it becomes divivachanam.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
अस्तु.
वृष्टिकाले वियत् कृष्णवर्णः कृष्णवर्णः अस्ति. वृष्टिकाले वियत् कृष्णवर्णः अस्ति. शुद्धं वा महोदय?
You cannot say Krishnavarnaha, you have to use the Sashti form for Viyat. So Akashasya Varnaha Krishnavarnaha tata bhavati.
No, I said during rainy season, Akasha looks dark.
Yeah, Akasha is not. It's not actual color, right? It's not. Akasha is not the black color. Akasha's color is black. Okay, you're getting it. Yeah, Akasha is not black color. You're saying Akasha is a black color.
Oh, Akashasya varnah.
Yeah, right. That's the way you should express it.
Oh, अस्तु महोदय.
स्तोत्रस्य नपुंसकलिङ्ग सकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग शब्दः स्तोत्र स्तोत्रः स्तोत्रसी स्तोत्र स्रोत्रांसि
Srotas is the word and
स्रोतः स्रोतः स्रोतसी श्रोतांसि श्रोतांसि स्रोतः हिमालयतः वहति स्तोत्रसी हिमालयतः वहति वहतौ वा वहति वहति.
What is the Dvivachana form for?
Dvivachana form for vahati vahatau va vahatau.
I think you have to get familiar with the lakara.
Yeah.
Vahati, vahataha, vahata, vahanti.
Vahati vahatah vahanti. Okay. Stotrasi himalayatah vahatah stotramsi himalayatah vahanti.
Yeah, right. So let me repeat again. Srotas sakarantam pratipadikam napumsakalingam padam. So srotaha, srotasi, srotamsi, and srotaha himalayat vahati, and srotasi himalayat vahataha, and srotamsi himalayat pravahanti or vahanti. Yeah, I think we are focusing more on other topics than the current one. Actually, our current topic is srotaha, srotasi, srotamsi. And as we are making mistakes in other parts of the sentences, our focus shifts there. Ideally, we should have strong basics in the previous worka. That should avoid these issues. Okay, fine. Let's move on.
Ambas will be, the forms will be Ambaha, Ambasi, Ambhansi. Ambhans. So, Ambaha Sheetalam Vartate.
Yes, Samyak.
So can we use the same way for Dvitiya and Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam?
Yes, you can say, but you can please use Parasmapada verb.
Ambaha Sheetalam Asti. Ambasi Sheetale Staha. Ambhamsi Sheetalaha Santi.
Shitalani santi.
Shitalani santi.
Actually, there is a question. I formed sentences for Srotas only with the meaning in mind that Srotas means the originate, the from where the river originates, Srot. Is it? Say, Nadyah Srotah Parvate Asti. Is it right or wrong?
No, actually, Srotaha is a synonym for Nadi.
Okay. But if I have to say that river originates from the mountain, so won't it be Nadyah Srotah Parvate Asti?
No, actually you'll say that way, like Nadi Parvatat Prabhavati.
Okay.
So that entirely means it is originating from the Parvata.
Okay. Then I had formed for Srotas only. I'll go for Naman.
Sure. Yeah.
So Naman is,
check that actually. See, these are the meanings. Generally, flow or flow of water. Generally, is called as srotas. You want to go with something else?
Yeah, Naman. So the three forms are Nam, Namani, Namani.
Okay.
Tvam Nam Kim, Yuvam Namani Ke, Yuyam Namani Kani.
No, Tvam is not the appropriate use. You have to use the Shashti form. So, Tava.
Tava Yuvayo, Yuvayo, Yushmakam.
Yes.
Tava Nam Kim, Yuvayo Namani Ke, Yushmakam Namani Kani.
Yeah, Samyak.
Thank you.
Hari Om Mahodaya. For Shrotah, Shrotas Pratipadikam. Shrotah, Shrotasi, Shrotamsi. Samyak va?
Samyak.
So Ganga ekam punyam shrotah asti. Ganga Yamunau punye स्रोतसी स्तः and Ganga Yamuna Saraswatyah cha punyani srotamsi santi. Can you say like that?
Yeah, he can say that way. Yes.
जगतस्य अन्ते कलियुगस्य अन्ते जगत नश्यति. कलियुगस्य अन्ते जगति नश्यतः. कलियुगस्य अन्ते जगन्ति नश्यन्ति.
Yeah, that's right. Yes.
कर्मन् प्रातिपदिकं कर्म कर्मणि कर्माणि.
Yeah, that's right.
एतत् भवतः कर्म अस्ति. एते भवतः कर्मणि स्तः. एतानि भवतः कर्माणि santi.
Yeah, Samyak.
So I'll try vachas.
Okay.
So vachah, vachasi, vachamsi. And vachah samyakam, vachasi samyakam, vachamsi samyakam.
What's the meaning?
The sentence is correct. Two sentences are correct.
See, vachaha samyak asti, vachasi samyak staha, vachamsi samyak santi.
Okay. Vachah samyak asti, vachasi samyak staha, vachamsi samyak santi.
Vachah I also came with Tena Uktam Vachah Samyak Asti.
Let's begin with Tena Uktam. Let's keep it at this level.
Tasya
Yeah,
Vachah.
Tasya. Yes.
Tasya Vachah Samyak Asti. Tasya Vachasi Samyak Staha. Tasya Vachamsi Samyak Santi.
Samyak. Uttamam.
Dhanyavadah.
धनुः धनुषी धनुंषि. अत्र रामस्य धनुः दीक्षणं. रामस्य धनुः दीक्षणम् अस्ति आसीत्. रामस्य धनुषि दीक्षणे सह रामस्य धनुषि दीक्षणानि सन्ति. आसन्.
Okay, what about
आस्तां. रामस्य धनुषि दीक्षणे आस्तां.
What's the meaning?
Rama's arrow was sharp. Two arrows were sharp and many arrows were sharp.
See, Dhanu is the bow, right? Not arrow.
Oh, it's a bow. Ah, okay. What is arrow?
Shapai, I think. Shara.
Okay, Danuhu, Dhiram. Strong, can you say strong?
Yeah, you can say that, please.
अस्तु रामस्य धनुः धीरम् आसीत् रामस्य धनुषि धीरे आस्तां रामस्य धनुषि धीराणि आसन्.
Okay, so I think we complete this here. Next, I think we are done with this chapter 3 as well. But it's the simplest chapter comparatively. Only 4 categories we have to remember. And we have again, as usual, the Subhashitams and short story in the that chapter. But otherwise, I think when you get time, please complete the exercises from 2nd and 3rd chapters as well. And that chapter will complete the remaining Subhashitams and story in the next week actually. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any questions or if you want to interact with us, please join our Telegram group, or you can even post comments in the videos below. And please share this video with your friends and interested people and like this video. And thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.